Today we're going to talk about my 10-ounce cook kit. So this kit right here is what I take on an overnight or a day hike. It's a 10-ounce kit. I consider it ultralight. Some people might consider it lightweight. It's definitely not heavy at all. This does not include the weight of a canister though. I'm not including that in this weight because that's a consumable. I usually take one of these. Usually on an overnight it's a full one. If it's a day hike, it's usually a half one. So these range, I think they're like 7.2 ounces. So usually half full ones around 4, 3.5. That's all I usually take for the day. Overnight there was a full one. Well, let's get into this cook kit and see what's all inside. Well, let's go in here and check out what's all in this cook kit. First off, I've got a Zpacks DCF bag that carries everything. We'll go over this stuff later. Inside here is an Evernew pot. It's a 0.6 liter pot, titanium. And inside, I always carry a lighter. I should be getting a smaller one, but haven't replaced that for a while because this one still has a lot of fluid in there. And inside, let's move that out of the way, I've got one more DCF bag. And this right here is also made by Zpacks, but it carries my Soto Windmaster. And most of the time I take both tops for it, but that's my Soto Windmaster. I've got either four arm stand or this one here, which is 3. Let's see here, let me undo it here quick for you. On my next trip I'll probably be taking just this one here. It slides right on, easy enough. If it's a bigger pot, sometimes I'll take this one with me, but as you can see, it's just sitting down here right now, just on the table, and that's pretty stable. I can put that on just to boil water, that's no problem. And that's all this is really for, is to boil water. Also included in here, this is actually a lighter mug. It's a collapsible one by See the Summit, the X mug. But this one is actually lighter than my titanium mug. So I'm going to be using this a lot more for my coffee or tea that I drink. And then inside this little bad boy here is just my fork, which is titanium. I've thought about going to the human gear ones, but this works for me. That's all I need. With this kit here, I'm usually making some sort of dehydrated meal, either a packet gourmet or a homemade dehydrated meal, and boiling water for coffee. That's it. That's all I need this for. But that is it, what's in my cook kit. So this is my ultralight 10-ounce cook kit. Once again, the Evernew pot, the 0.6 liter. I've got my Soto Windmaster. I've got my X mug by See the Summit and my See the Summit fork. And then of course that lighter. And that's all carried in. The stove goes in this little bag right here. And the Evernew goes into this bag right here. And these weigh practically nothing. Well, that's going to be it for my 10-ounce ultralight cook kit. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, hit like, give it that thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and comment below. Always appreciate it. If you get a chance, check out some of the videos I got up over here too, some other videos. You might like them. So until the next one, thanks for having me.